Good morning, Mary here from Rocky Mountain Gardens, and today I am joining a sort of impromptu invitation by Davita Lane to do a sort of an early summer home tour, which includes some of our lemon themed designs. And so I decided to go ahead and join, like I said, and today I'm going to just show you the main floor of my house. And I've gotten away finally all of my Easter decor and added some summery sort of looking things. And it's a little bit plainer at this time of year in my home, but still you might get a couple of ideas from things I have put out. So, well, let's get started on that very fun and quick home tour. As you come in my front door, I have my staircase right here going upstairs, of course, and then walking in here, I just have my usual furniture. I still have this little vignette from Easter, although I did take off the pink ribbon, and I just think it looks still summery, and I think it's so cute, so I just left it. And then swinging around here to where my television is, I have some of my Luminara candles here and my house plants. And then on this little side table, I just have a couple of spring and summery looking little items. And there's another chair for my living room. And of course, my sectional couch here, which is very comfy. And although I'm not a big fan of the dark brown color, it's really great when my grandsons come over and make a big old mess because, you know, brown doesn't show the dirt quite as much. Okay, so let's walk in to my dining room. And probably many of you have seen my centerpiece here for my dining room table already. And I think you've seen probably also my houseplant stand that I got from, let's see, I got that from Big Lots for $59. It was quite a deal and just perfect for the space and what I wanted. And I have a few more houseplants waiting to go outside because we still have had evening temperatures in the 30s. So they can't live outside quite yet. On my hutch across the room here, let's walk over there, I have a little arrangement in this cute little piggy made of sisal that I had out at Easter time, but oh my goodness, isn't he darling? I just couldn't bear to put him away. And I really like this little tin that I got last summer at Hobby Lobby. It really says summer for me. And then up on top of my hutch, I just have, I guess you would call it my everyday decor. I just have some kissing balls, a little garland of lamb's ear, and you know, this is sort of an in-between time right now, isn't it? Before we go into 4th of July decor. So this is the living and dining area of my home. I almost forgot to share with you this sofa table design that I did. And I have a nice flower arrangement here in this blue glass vase. It has hydrangeas and daisies in it. And then I have another kissing ball on this really cute stand. Look at this little butterfly on this. This is made of metal and it was really lovely. I got this actually at Hobby Lobby at their end of season sale for I think about 80% off. What a great deal. And then here is a nice sign for the summer with a bicycle. And then I have this little bird cage and a candle with another kissing ball. So I think that's a very nice summer vignette. What do you think? I just wanted to throw in a picture of this antique clock that I got from Germany when I lived there. And I have been considering painting it white, and I was wondering what you all think about that. Do you think it would look good, or should I keep it as it is? It has some really nice detail up here on the top of the clock, and it's just really a lovely clock and a wonderful memory of my time in Germany. So let me know what you think about painting it white, would you please? Then in my kitchen, you've seen this before if you watched some of my earlier videos with lemon themes that Tracy Ann sponsored from Secondhand Tracy Ann. So there is my little coffee bar lemon theme. And then over here, I modified my hutch here, kitchen hutch. And literally, I just took away some of the bunnies and changed out a few of the flowers and made it a little bit more simple, as I said, for this in-between time. And then over here on my island is the other vignette I did with Tracy with my lemon drop jar. Love that. And if you haven't seen any of these videos for this series of lemon themed designs, just check my channel. I have lots more. Then over here, I'll go slow, is my last vignette that I did with Tracy. And I still love that sign so much. When life gets sour, sweeten it with gratitude. That is a great way to live, isn't it? So then in my hearthroom area, I have some of my house plants here, a large Sansevieria, and oh my goodness, I hosted over the weekend a couple who were here for graduation of one of our good friends. They stayed with me and left me this lovely bouquet of roses as a thank you. Isn't that sweet? So pretty. Now let's move to my mantle area where I have my candles lit, my faux candles, and I have some family pictures up there now. And I changed out some of my florals here, but I just loved this look and I wanted to keep it up here longer. So I changed out the garland that I had draped and instead added these bunches of lilacs. Aren't they pretty? I just love those. And then here on my hearth, I just have some kissing balls and that cute little bunny. He sat in my kitchen window earlier, but now he's moved over here to this side of the room. I also wanted to show you this great drawer set that my daughter got for me for my birthday, and it is very utilitarian because I keep all of the toys that I have for my grandsons to play with when they come over. They all are stored in this unit, and it also looks nice in the corner with my plant on top. That is a pothos, in case you're wondering. On this side of my hearth, I have this lovely arrangement, if I do say so myself. I just really love these sort of lime green balls with the white and all of the greenery flowing out. Very nice. Just very cheerful and summery looking. And then I have another Sansevieria there. And in the background, you can see my faux, oh gosh, that's a fig in the fig family. You guys, oh, a ficus tree. That's my faux ficus tree. And back here, I also have added another piece of furniture. This is a wonderful piece. It's very thin. It only is about 12 inches deep. and it is just perfect for storing some of my decor when it's out of season. And I just love it. It's so cute. And there's another bunny that I just couldn't put away quite yet. He's so darling. And then backing up here, I have a Yankee candle burning here. This one is a lavender scented one. And look at this faux orchid that I found at Home Goods. You know, I have had orchids in my home before, but honestly, I am not very successful in keeping them alive after the blooms die. And I decided, you know, you spend money for a real orchid and it's good for a couple of months and then it's gone. So I'm going with faux for this particular flower. So I really like that little vignette right there. This little area is quite inviting, I think. So there you are. There's my quick home tour for the early summer. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back in just a second for some final words. I would like to wish you all a very blessed Memorial Day. And let's keep in mind all of our military members who have served our country, and especially those who lost their lives defending us and giving us this freedom that we enjoy. And it's a special day for my family because we have quite a few family members who are serving or have served in the armed forces. And we also have lost a family member who died in combat in Afghanistan, and we want to never forget her. So please keep that in mind today as you enjoy maybe a good barbecue. So take care, and I'll see you soon again.